I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 38, Section 4. The instruction is: from the words lettered A to D below each of the following sentences, choose the words or group of words that is nearest in meaning to the underlined words as it is used in the sentence. So the sentence is: the new bank is becoming insolvent, and insolvent is the underlined word. So option A, inactive; B, ineffective; C, bankrupt; D, lax. So the word insolvent means unable to pay one's bills. Inactive, which is option A, means not active or vibrant. Ineffective means not having the desired effect. Option C, which is bankrupt, means unable to pay one's debts or bills, as the case may be. And lax means lenient or not strict. So we said the word underlined insolvent means unable to pay one's bills, and from the meanings of the options we have given, we see that option C, which is bankrupt, means unable to pay one's debts or bills, and that is nearest in meaning to the underlined word insolvent. Therefore the correct answer is C, option C, which is bankrupt. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.